Grandma.
It looks kind of like this one.
Hi, Hazel.
Stay over here, Hazel. You can go. But it's not.
Hey, Ellie, stay on the trail.
Blue spruce.
Get back on the trail.
Blue spruce.
Did you find it?
It's a blue spruce. No, I just named it
Blue
'cause it was
spruce?
white spruce. And I thought
Yeah,
blue
we could only find a white spruce, but we know that it's not a white spruce, so.
It's a blue spruce.
It is a blue spruce. I agree. Cool.
No,
We
leave
have
that
a blue
on.
spruce.
Ellie.
Here comes somebody.
Okay, watch out.
Hey guys,
Everybody
look out for a
back up.
second.
There's
Hey
somebody
guys, look out for mountain. Look out for mountain lions.
Yeah.
Wow! Wow!
What kind of trees are we going through?
Ellie, you're walking really good. Whoa, Ellie, watch where you're going. Stop messing with your zipper. Walk straight ahead. Hey, what's the deal over back there? What's going on back there? Yeah. Andrew? Where is he? There he is. Hey, Andrew. Andrew. Hi, Andrew. Hi, Andrew. What you doing, buddy? Uh-huh. All right. Here we go.
So you can see the leaf exactly.
Let me see what you do.
I did a leaf rubbing.
A leaf rubbing? I like
Yep, and
that.
do you want to write?
Oh, look at that.
Want me to write?
How'd
what
you
it
do
is?
that? Who's going to try it next?
That one.
Berry?
I can't write with this hand.
What's possible, Grandma?
So that's a weeping willow, right?
No, I can write with this hand. Yep. I can't write very well. I'm cold.
I'm cold too.
Willow.
Can I do one of those?
Go for it. Yeah, take a leaf.
Mom, can I see my pencil? Ellie, look.
Ruthie, Mary needs to borrow it. You lay it sideways. It has to be sideways. And then you color across it.
Can I do it?
Uh-huh.
Probably work better if you put it up on the bench.
Oops, not straight up. Yeah, oh yeah, that's true.
There you go.
It has to be sideways. Good. Perfect.
Wow, look at that. That's really looking good.
Isn't that neat?
That's cool.
That's cool.
Then you write
Yeah.
weeping willow underneath.
You like that, Grandma?
Babyboy liked it too, though.
Did he?
So it was so funny.
He liked it. Let's see what he's doing. Baby boy, did you like it?
There might possibly be
Was he
some.
looking at it? He's liking it, huh?
He did like it. That was cute.
Wait a sec, Haze. I felt something on my leg. Was it a hazel lion?
No.
What was it?
I show you.
Is it a hazel lion?
No.
What was it?
People coming.
Hey, you lion. It's not a
Yes.
hazel.
Maybe we ought to get across the bridge if people are coming. Okay. Here we go.
Now these ones.
What kind of those?
I don't know. Let's see. We've got an
There-
edible wild
it's-
plant.
That is.
Don't touch it.
Mary.
Now let's see. Here we
Got
have
a
pictures.
purple-
These are really pretty, aren't
A
they?
purple thing right there.
We've got a picture of poisonous plants. So let's see.
Let's see if it's a nightshade.
Red and white baneberry.
Or maybe that's red. That might be red baneberry.
I don't know, but it doesn't look quite like the leaf.
Leaf.
Ooh,
Hey, Eli,
that's loud.
don't do that, please.
This might not have a good exhaustive.
I think that is nightshade. That's what I'm thinking.
Babyboy's shoe.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Here's Babyboy's
It
shoe.
looks no, it doesn't look like hawthorn. It looks.
Yeah, it's.
I can't really see.
Look at the way the sun's shining through those berries, though. Isn't that pretty?
Look.
It's translucent.
Me neither. There's
Hey, Eli, stop. Oh, I see one.
A
little
bird?
baby one, but it's too far away.
A bird?
No, a bird.
Oh, a Doug fir, yeah.
Yeah. tell.
Actually, that's a white fur right there. Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, it's shaped different. It's not making that. Let's see if we can find the white fur on here.
There is a white fur.
It's a white fur right there.
Here's a white fur, yeah.
Mm-hmm. They make good Christmas trees too. Sometimes if they're. What's the matter?
name is Bean. My name is Flea.
He's a ham bone. What's he doing back there? Messing around? Hey, Andrew.
Yes, I did hear it talking. What did it say?
Oh, wow, look at that boy. Look at him. Do you like Grandma? Do you like her?